Hey guys, let's make a sublimation snow globe pen. These pen blanks are available on my website bettercallmallcreations.com. I sized my design at 2.4 inches high by 1.35 inches wide. I make sure to wrap the transfer on tightly with heat tape. I wrap the tape in a spiral method to make sure I create tight pressure across the whole barrel. I'm using my tumbler heat press to sublimate the barrel. The press is set to 360 degrees. Once it's taped, I stick it right in the middle of my press and I set the timer for 45 seconds. Then I will flip the barrel in the press and close it again for another 45 seconds. Now I'm removing the paper and tape and you can see that the design transferred perfectly. Now I'll fill this snow globe shell with glitter in solution. For the solution, I'm using a 50-50 mix of vegetable glycerin and distilled water. I add the glitter first until it's about halfway up the shell, and then I add my solution and shake it up to mix the solution in with the glitter, and then I will top off the rest of the shell with the solution and screw the stopper in tightly. Once the stopper is screwed in, you don't need to remove it again unless you plan to change out the glitter in solution. Then I just firmly push the sublimation barrel and the pen tip back into place. And this is how the finished pen looks. What do you think?